Alkaline people, them different, you know. Alright, so now, una say, Alkaline asks for Batty wash. Batty boy!
People who are going, you don't know media facts, you know. So we see that brother run out. I chat one bag of thing about Alkaline and wanting to really listen what going in the people. You understand? I hear what that brother has to say. Cause my thing say I would if him wasn't the one where crash, and you know, I think he would have learned him lesson, because every day him forward and I chat one bag of thing, I bring down people and all of them look at something they disrespect something, and him get a rather, I think say him would have learned and just keep quiet and easy and, you know, talk something with sense. You understand? But people, listen what that brother has say.
Alkaline people, them different, you know. Alright, so now una say Alkaline asks for Batty wash, branding in a public. But now, if you give the people them something back in a Jamaica, him for going a private. Now man, you not going in a private, man. And you, Mr. Vegas, when me say it loud so the back of the crowd can't hear. You not do nothing for Jamaica people. You never give nobody nothing. So no matter come talk about who you give them in a private. Oh, blowjob. What you do? You give blowjob in a private. You go through the Jamaica house and give blowjob in a private. Cause I know the people them you get. The people that were hungry and need it. We not see you nowhere. We not see you nowhere, Vegas.
But Kevin, brother, I think say that learning a dog. You understand? I think say that learn after what happened to you over there. You understand? You forward back with the same energy, dog. See? Me no know how come Batty wash forward in this donation. Me no know what you mean, bro. But it's like gonna obsessed with that kind of information. You understand? Bro, first of all, Alkaline, you know Alkaline stay. See? Alkaline no do social media. The man no post, the man no nothing. You understand? The man no go up on live, all of these things. When donation are going, the man not even too dead like that, brother. Him have him team. You understand? So, bro, you know want a man where you not see none at all forward out and show himself on camera for you donate. Look how much you think the youth do. You never tell him say, yo, forward out. You never talk about it. You understand? Every day you forward, you not try, yo. Right now you come like say Alkaline. It's like Alkaline at the government. Right now, because me nah hear enough how una call out the government for do anything. Alkaline, una worry about donation and all of them. Look, some of the things are satisfied with the other artists them where donate. Look how much the artists are donate. And una worry about one artist where una no know what happened to Alkaline. Una know if Alkaline safe or him still alive. Una know if him family affected and him a sort them out. Una no know if him a gather things for come send with him team for go sort out things and help out people. Una don't know nothing. But just because una not have no patient, or una try look a Clout, or una try find a reason just to bring down Alkaline name and to make him look bad. You understand? Because there's a lot of artists out there where that is, we not see them a donate anything. Where them maybe a donate, but them just not want it highlight or show up on the internet. You understand? Knowing say, you know say Alkaline on the social media. So how you expect a man will always isolate himself from society for in the media a donate and soon give out care packages and all of them someday? Eh? And you, Kevin, what you do for Jamaica? Me not see no video of you give out the time when you're there chat and a bash everybody and a bash the artists them. Why you there Jamaica a donate and a help give out care packages then? Right now you there talking all we see you in a car sit down a cuss artists that about do. Where you are do? Where you are do for Jamaica? The way your class Jamaicans if sit down on TikTok and make money. Where you give back to the people them? All of the artists them and the people them where your class forget money on TikTok. Where the money there where you have to donate to the people them? Eh? You there you cuss people and you nah do better, brother. It nah make no sense, dog. You understand? Because when Alkaline a donate, me nah hear nobody a call out. No other artist say, yo, oh no nah donate to. Oh no nah do that. Zine? Because there's no way people So many artists in dancehall. And some I do already. And them now call out the one them when I do. Them a call out Alkaline. Tell me now, you know. Sure you say, yo, the hate is really, you know, like, them just a wait on some time and some thing for happen, you know, people. For bring down the youth brand, you know. I tell you, you know. You understand? Because that thing say, yo, a Alkaline I government of Jamaica. You that thing so? Because the way them say, yo, him need to donate, him need to do this. Alkaline not responsible for the citizens of the country, brother. Remember, so Alkaline is a citizen of the country where him just have a IP job. You understand? There's no contract where him have to sign and say, yo, me have to donate. Out of willing heart, out of him brand and him foundation, him say, alright, I give back to the people. You understand? There's no time or week or whatsoever or year or no date or no annual date where him sign a contract say, look here, every time this come up, you have to donate. Them donate off of them own will. The artists, them donate off of them own will. And I just hope say, when any award I give away, or like a Heroes Day or whatsoever, I hope enough of them artists here, the Prime Minister or whosoever give out award, them supposed to get it. Because them dead it for the people. You understand? Them dead it for the people them. Cause let me tell you, listen, people. Imagine no artist now donate. Remember, you know, them not obligated for do it, you know. It's not their responsibility, you know. They might do it off. So say no artist now donate, nobody. What do you think would have happened to the people them at this moment? Eh? So you found out Kevin and talk about Vegas, this, Alkaline, this. Brother, there's a lot of people that give donation where you're not seeing at the media, brother. You understand? People just love, just give it away. People don't love the clout, the video, the this, the that. You understand? You have people who love do that, yes, yeah, it good, people see it, it motivate them. But not everybody are forward in the media and do certain things. You understand? And we have to big up the artists, them CNSP, those same one, them we are go out there and issue that for them choice. Them never did have to do it. Them could have sent them team, you know, for do it in and them stay at them yard. You understand? So, you forward out to call out people when you is not helping Jamaica. You know do nothing, brother. We not see your partner barrel, we not see you do nothing. Me no know. Me no see it. You understand? Maybe other people see it, but me no see it yet. We don't see it in the media. You understand? You could not take your loud mouth and make money talk and buy barrels and pop barrels and all of them something there. What you are do for the country? More than just sit down in the car and cuss people where I donate and just no want to be in the media. You understand? Yeah, bro. But people, you see them money, I saw them money stay, you know. It's like, it's just, them money behave like some girl who just need attention and just fall upon me and just yip yap, sharp. You understand? Me think say when him crash, it would have calm him down and easy, but he no learn. You understand? Him no learn. You see me? But people, we have to show big respect to the artists them out there do it. Cause them never have to do it. You understand? You don't know. You see Kartel ya so. You see me? Yeah, man.
Yeah, man. Adija Palmer, you know? Foundation. Yeah. One world.
Yeah, man. So, when you don't know, that I just Vybz Kartel donation and thing. You don't know? Yeah, support the people, you see me? Yeah, man. You have to big up Kartel for that. You understand? Yeah, man. You have to big up for that, car. He never did have to do it. You see me? And him hard working money, him take and do it, and he must support the people, them. That is a good look. You understand? Yeah, man. Big up Kartel for that. You see it? For there, you support the people. But we have more people, you don't know, Spice. Yeah, man. Yeah man, big up yourself Spice. You see it a one thing. Spice I can always support the people. Cause I remember people, a lot of these artists, you know, them a come from a poor background, you know. You understand? One shoes from feet and certain little things, and you see me and them become, you know, use them talent and become rich millionaires and thing. You understand? And it's a good look, Spice. You don't know if you big up Spice with that, the donation and everything. You understand? As me say, the artists them not obligated to do these things, but they might do it with a will in the heart. You understand? Have the love of the people. You understand? Them own people. Yeah man. So we have a big up Spice of that. You see me? Yeah man, we have a big her up man. You see it. Yeah man, so we see all Skeng and do a thing. You see it? Yeah man. Look what I go on. Yeah man, you see it. But some of the time them people have to calm down, you know, cause it look like she did the attack and like we understand now go through the look of pressure and every little thing, but we have to take on the time and remember say the artists them go to them way for help you know. Now move like say yo the artists them obligated for help you know. Remember say them and the government this you know. You understand? But we have a big up Skeng. You see me? Big up man. Me rate all the artists them and look out for the people. You see it? Yeah man. A big move. You see it? So we see you don't know the Crux Boss Massacre. Yeah man, so no don't know Massacre that. Yeah man, everybody are put in the work. Big up Massacre, you see it? Yeah man, it's a good look. You see me? It's a good look. You don't know see something there. You don't know Silk Boss. Yeah man. You see it? Yeah man, Silk Boss I do him thing man. Like I'm there downtown or somewhere shop and put something on the card for donate to the people them. You understand? Yeah man, it's a good look man and you don't know a young artist. You see me? Cause I remember you know, people are not, we don't see all of the artists them, you know. You understand? But we don't know who them give the donation to or what cause me say. And every artist love the media. You understand? But you don't know some artists I want to show. You see me and motivate the people them same way. You understand? For give in and you know show support same way. You see me? But you don't know that a Silk Boss, you see me? Yeah man say you don't know Beenie Man a them thing as so. Yeah man. Beenie Man a do them thing man. You don't know him a pack up the Benz with things. You see it? Yeah man. Everything pack up and thing. You see me? It's a good look man. Big up Beenie Man. You see it? As me say, you don't know the artists them a do it. The artists them a do it. I love that. As me say, yo, I hope them did the artists them good after this, you know. Make sure say the artists them get them appreciation, medal or whatsoever, you know. You see, cause right now is a big movement the artists them are doing a dance in the thing right now. You understand? Me rate it. So all who create them foundation and all everything just to support the people them is a good look same way people. I love that. Yeah man, I love that people. You see it, so big up yourself Beenie Man. There's a lot of more artists, you see me, but I can't find some of the clip them. You see me, yeah man. So them are one where I can really get more access to. You see me, so big up the other rest of artists them will donate all of the one them where I want to be in the media and just want to help out and certain little things. Is a good look same way. Yeah man, I know things set man, you see me? Yeah. Rate how the artists them come out for the people them. Yeah man. Although them not make them all of them money in Jamaica, they make them money in foreign, they still same way them come and support. Them never wait for nobody have to tell them say yo go do this and go do that. You understand? Because remember you know, and now alone the people them want things. The people them want things in the next year or two. You understand? So if some artists want to donate now, them donate now. If some artists want to donate next month, the next month, it's still a donation. It's still I do something for the people them same way. You understand? If someone donate today Yeah, some can donate tomorrow. You understand? So there's no timing for anybody say you have to donate now, cause what? If every artist donate now, Zane, want to the rest of the months, them the year forward and up. You understand? Remember, say you have artists, we have family where maybe have damage to you, and them have to deal with them first before them come deal with people who, you see me, fans or whatsoever. Yeah, man. So you don't know the artists them do them thing and the artists them forward out. You see it? I'm a rate that. So big up to all of the artists them who support the thing. You see me, and send out them donations. Cause remember, you know, we never did have to do it. But on the art we have, yeah, on show people say me, yo, one is not alone and we're there for you. You understand? But people don't know media facts, you know. Yeah, man, I respect for everybody who support the movement. You see me, we now want to lose meds. You see it? Yeah, man, I know it. Remember to like, share, and subscribe, people. You see it? So you don't know media facts there, and we have to push out the message and everything to the people, them. You understand? Yeah, man, I don't know a thing. As I say, big up the artists, them. Full 100, you see it, 100%, you don't know. Yeah, man, this is one thing where we are going to highlight and, you know, put the positive movement to you guys. A good look for the people, them. You see me? Yeah, man, but you don't know any people. I want media facts, you know. Yeah, man, that is it.